Hello dear students, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. So students, today we will learn one of the secondary colors today, which is the green color. Look at the picture carefully. The tree is green. The grass is green. Flag is green. Leaves are green. Look at this caterpillar. Look at this caterpillar. It is green too. Now color the objects green and say aloud. The parrot is green. The leaves are green. The tree is green. I hope you like this color. So students, keep learning and keep growing. See you soon.